Hello, this video is regarding CRS Training Info. CRS Training Info was one of the best institutes for Salesforce training. It's been a month since my journey has been started with CRS Training Info Solutions. The teachers are very informative, they are very supportive too. They provide placement assistance also. All the Salesforce modules will be taught to you from the scratch. Even a non-IT candidate will get confidence to join IT field with this training. They provide you placement assistance and they provide you certification help, and also at the end of every training they give you a video recording session so that even if you miss it during the training you can refer it to later in your free time. Also, they conduct a particular doubt clearing session at the end of every week so that you will be left with no ambiguity or doubts. So I suggest everyone to join CRS Training Info if they are interested to pursue a career in Salesforce. Thank you.